Hello, bachcho. Good morning. We have started this lesson, The Enemy, written by Parlas Buck. In this story, we have read that Hana and Sadao both were living in their house, which was situated at the coastal area, and suddenly one day they find a wounded American soldier. They decide to bring that wounded soldier into their house, and they wanted to help that soldier. Means they wanted uh, to do the surgery and to help him medically, and after that they were thinking to surrender that man to General Takima, who was the in charge of army in that area. So uh, uh, the problem was how to wash the body of this American soldier, because his body was smelly. The first thing was to wash the whole body of it. So Hana goes to Yumi, but Yumi denies. Yumi says that she would not do anything to that American soldier because Americans are enemy. Even Gardner also denies this. So Hana has to do washing up American soldier by herself, and Dr. Sadao does the operation and removes the bullet which was inside of that American soldier. After that, yes, when Sadao was doing operation, he used to say, "My friend." This was his behavior. Every time when he used to do operation, he used to say his patient as friend. He used to address his patient as his friend. Okay, let's start. After the operation, Dr. Sadao said, "This man will live in spite of all," he said to Hana and sighed. The young man woke so weak, his blue eyes so terrified when he perceived. So after the operation, Dr. Sadao said that this man will live. And when this man, means American soldier, he walks up, he was very weak, and his blue eyes were terrified because he was not knowing where was he. That Hana felt compelled to apologize. Hana said that, "Don't worry, don't be afraid." She begged him softly. "How come you speak English?" So American soldier asked this, कि, "You are speaking English, so how it is possible in Japan you are speaking English?" So Hana said that for a long time they were in America, that's why they are knowing English. She said that he wanted her to reply to that, but he could not, and so she knelt and fed him gently from the porcelain spoon. He ate unwillingly, but still he ate. "Now you will soon be strong," she said, not liking him and yet moved to comfort him. He did not answer when Sadao came. In the third day after the operation, he found the young man sitting up, his face bloodless. "Lie down," Sadao cried. "Do you want to die?" Because he was sitting, so Sadao was very angry. Sadao said, "Lie down, you want to die." And after that, he was forced to lie down. What are you going to do with me? The boy muttered. American soldier said, what are you going to do? So Dr. Sadhav said, we don't know what we are going to do to you. They looked at each other for a moment, and then the young man closed his eyes and turned his face to the wall. Okay, he whispered, his mouth a bitter line outside the door. Hana was waiting for Sadhav. Sadhav, Yumi tells me the servants feel they cannot stay if we hide this man here anymore. So servants were at revolt. Servants were saying that they may leave their job, they may leave this house if this means this enemy will remain in the house. America, that we have forgotten to think of our own country first. They think we like Americans. It is not true, because yes, servants were thinking that Dr. Sadhav and Hana both were living in America. Both had lived for a long time in America. That's why servants were thinking that probably they have become Americans and they have sympathy for Americans. That's why they are anti-national, they are against Japanese. That's why they have given shelter to this American soldier who is enemy. Neither seemed to able to say more, and somehow the household dragged and the servants grew more watchful. Their courtesy was as cheerful as ever, but their eyes. It is clear what our master had to do, the old gardener said one morning. He had worked with flowers all his life and he was a specialist in flowers. Sadhav's father, he had made one of the finest moss garden in Japan, sweeping the bright green carpet. So he was a specialist in moss gardening, and he was working in his family from the time of his father. His father means Dr. Sadhav's father. That young master is so proud of his skill to save life that he saves any life, the cook said. Cook said that young master is proud of his skill, that he saves any life. So the cook said contemptuously. Contemptuously means with contempt, with hate, with satire. She split a fowl's neck skillfully and held the fluttering bird and let its blood flow into the root of a Visaria vine. Blood is the best to fertilize, and the old gardener would not let her waste a drop of it. It's the children of whom we must think, Yumi said sadly. What will be their fate if their father is condemned as a traitor? Cook and gardener both were here doing a discussion. The cook is saying that young master, who is young master? Dr. Sadhav. Dr. Sadhav is so much fond of his skill that he saves any life, means even the life of enemy. And here he was also cutting the throat of a bird because he was going to cook that bird. So gardener was of the view that blood when he was cutting that the throat of that bird, at that time blood should be thrown into the garden. A single drop of blood should not be wasted, because blood, gardener was thinking that blood is the best fertilizer for the plants. That's why he wanted all the blood to be thrown into the garden. So he says, what will happen? Yumi said, what will happen suppose the name of his father be tagged as traitor? They did not try to hide what they said from the ears of Hana as she stood arranging the day's flowers in the veranda nearby. She knew they spoke on purpose that she might hear. That they were right she knew too in most of her being, but there was another part of her which she herself could not understand. It was not sentimental liking of the prisoner. She had come to think of him as a prisoner. She had not liked him even yesterday when he had said in his impulsive way, "Anyway, let me tell you that my name is Tom." So now we know the name of American soldier. He says his name is Tom. She said she had only bowed her little distant bow She saw heart in his eyes, but she did not wish to assuage it. Indeed, he was a great trouble in this house. But she means Hannah. Hannah bowed. Just this is Japanese culture to respect other. So Hannah bowed a little, but there was heart in his eyes. But in his eyes means in the eyes of soldier. But she did not wish to assuage. Assuage means to mitigate it, to to do something, to help, to cure that hurt. Means there was some scar nearby eyes, but Hannah did not want to do anything for that. As per Sadao, every day he examined the wound carefully. The last stitches had been pulled out this morning, and the young man would be in a fortnight be nearly as well as ever. So all the stitches which Dr. Sadao had done on his body has been removed by and by. Even the last stitches had been removed, had been pulled out. So now young man will be fine in a fortnight. Fortnight means in 15 days. Sada went back to his office and carefully typed a letter to the chief police official reporting the whole matter. So one day, what happened? Sada went to his office and wrote a letter to chief of police reporting the whole matter. On the 21st day of February, an escaped prisoner was washed up on the shore in front of my house. So far he typed, and then he opened a secret drawer of his desk and put the unfinished report into it. So he typed this. What he typed in a letter: on the 21st day of February, an escaped prisoner was washed up on the shore in front of my house. Okay. On the 7th day after that, two things happened. In the morning, the servants left together, their belongings tied in large square cotton kerchiefs. Then Hannah got up in the morning. Nothing was done. The house was not cleaned, food was not prepared, and she knew what it means. One day, all the servants planned to get out of the house, and they collected their things in a kerchief. Kerchief means a kind of handkerchief, a big handkerchief. They collected their things on that kerchief, and they went out of the house. So that morning, nothing was done in the house. The house was not cleaned, food was not prepared. Hannah was knowing what is the meaning of this. She was dismayed. Dismayed means she was in distress. She was disappointed and even terrified, and she was somehow afraid. But her pride as a mistress would not allow her to show it. In it, she inclined her head gracefully when they appeared before her in the kitchen, and she paid them off and thanked them for all they had done for her. So all the servants appeared before Hannah, and in order to bid bye. Hannah was very proud woman. She had pride. She did not want to show that she is terrified. So that's why respectfully she bade them bye, and she also paid the payment of all the servants. They were crying, but she did not cry. All the servants were crying, they were weeping. The cook and gardener had served Sadao since he was a little boy in his father's house, and Yumi cried because of the children. She was so grieving that after she had gone, she ran back to Hannah. If the baby misses me too much tonight, send for me. I am going to my own house and you know where it is. So Yumi was also crying. Gardner was also crying because they were working in the house at the time of Dr. Sadao's father. Means when Yumi and Gardner, they were just small children. So Yumi also weeps. Yumi says because Yumi was caretaker of children in the house. Means there were small kids. So Yumi was caretaker of those kids. Yumi says, if the baby misses me, send for me. I will be in my home. Thank you, Hannah said, smiling. But she told herself she would not sent for Yumi. However, the baby cried. She made the breakfast and Sadao helped with the children. Neither of them spoke of the servants beyond the fact that they were gone. But after Hannah had taken morning food to the prisoner, she came back to Sadao. Why is it we cannot see clearly what we are to do? She asked him. Even servants see more clearly than we do. Why are we different from other Japanese? Hannah was also tensed. Hannah was not knowing what wrong they are doing. So Hannah said to Dr. Sadao, what wrong we are doing? Why we are different from other Japanese? Why cannot we see clearly what we have to do in future? Our servants are more clear than we are. Sadao did not answer, but a little later he went into the room where the prisoner was and said briskly, today you may get up on your feet. I want you to stay up only 5 minutes at a time. He goes and he says to American soldier that today you may get up on your feet and you may stand up for 5 minutes, then you may sit again. Tomorrow you may try it twice as long, and tomorrow you may stand up for 10 minutes and then you may sit down. It may be well that you get back your strength as quickly as possible, and by this way you may gain your strength as soon as possible. He saw the flicker of terror on the young face that was still very pale. Okay, the boy murmured. Evidently he was determined to say more. I feel I ought to thank you, doctor, for having saved my life. So Tom says, thank you, doctor, you saved my life. Don't thank me too early, Sadao said coldly. He saw the flicker of terror again in the boy's eyes. Terror as unmistakable as an animal's. Dr. Sadao said, don't thank me so early, because I am not knowing what I will do to you. The scars on his neck were crimson for a moment. Those scars, what were they? Sadao did not ask. In the afternoon, the second thing happened. Hannah, working hard on accustomed labor, saw a messenger come to the door in official uniform. Her hands went weak and she could not draw her breath. The servant must have told already. She ran to Sadao, gasping, unable to utter a word. So, message, Miss, she got a letter. She got a letter from officers, local officer. Now Hannah was terrified. Hannah was not knowing what is going to happen. She directly went to Dr. Sadao and showed that letter. She was thinking probably servants have informed about the prisoner. Her through the garden and there he stood. She pointed at him helplessly. Sadao looked up from his book. He was in his office, other partition of which was thrown open to the garden for the southern sunshine. What is it? He asked. You are to come to the palace, the man said. The old general is in pain again. Oh, Hannah breathed. Is that all? All, the messenger screamed. Old general? Who is old general? Old general is General Takima. So this person who was in uniform, he had come there to inform that old general is pain. Is in pain means because Dr. Sadao was a doctor, so and old general was in pain, so he had sent for Dr. Sadao. Means old general wanted the help of Dr. Sadao to cure his pain. Oh, Hannah breathed that all messengers claimed it is not enough. Indeed it is. She replied, I am very sorry. When Sadao came to say goodbye, she was in the kitchen but doing nothing. The children were asleep and she said merely resting for a moment, more exhausted from her fright than from her work. Thank you.